So today we're going to talk about a PC that I built just 3 months back, and it's a very inexpensive PC. It is just under $100, and I'll tell you about all of the things. But before going into the review, I want to say if you haven't joined our giveaway, then you should definitely go and join our giveaway. Anyway, now let's come to the main topic. So this PC costs less than $100. Then you can understand what am I going to do with this PC. Yep, I do a lot of things on this PC. I'll tell you about all of the things, but before going the in-depth into the PC, actually the PC is in front of me. Here's the PC, but I just can't get it into my hand. Like the PCs are very big. Anyway, now let's talk about the specifications, what I have inside of this PC. So the processor I have on this PC is Core 2 Duo 6 MB cache, and I got a fan for free. Isn't it amazing? Yep, it is amazing. And after that, the RAM is DDR3 4GB RAM. I thought that for this kind of inexpensive PC, 4GB of RAM is enough. Like Windows 10 runs smoothly, so 4GB of RAM for this PC is okay. After that, I have a SSD, because an SSD is very important for a PC. If you don't have SSD, you should definitely update to a SSD, because SSD will help you to boot the Windows very quickly and run all of the apps much quicker than the hard drive, traditional hard drive. Okay, and that is the reason I got 128GB WD SSD. After that, I have another hard drive that is 500GB Toshiba hard drive, and that is also very inexpensive, and that I use for internal storing. And other than that, I just don't do anything with that hard drive. I also have another 4TB external hard drive to back up all the things, family things, and that is why I haven't got any big hard drive on my computer. I just got a 500GB on my computer. And after that, the motherboard on this computer is Esonic G41. It is not a good motherboard in my opinion, but for this kind of inexpensive PC build, there is no other better option for me, as far as I know. If you know something better, let me know in the comment sections. Anyway, the motherboard I have on this computer is Esonic G41. The power supply I got is A-Point Tech 500 watt, and it's a good power supply in my opinion. Decent power supply, not very high tech, but it's okay power supply. Anyway, I'm not a PC guy, you should know that, and it is my first PC build. Don't judge me, please don't judge me, because I have zero experience about PC build, but this is a home computer, just a sit down computer, nothing than that. Anyway, and I also got an additional monitor, and the monitor is not included on this $100 build, because the monitor alone costs more than $50. As the monitor is very important for me, I'm seeing something on the monitor and it is not looking good. It is not for me, bro. It's important. So those are the specifications of this computer. Now let's talk about why I use it, why I got this thing, what it can do, and things like that. Okay, number one thing, you will ask me, bro, why you got this kind of computer with like Core 2 Duo, 4GB of DDR3 RAMs, all of these things, like it is a trash computer. Hold on your butts a little, because what I do on this computer is basic works, Microsoft Word, file management, especially my YouTube video management, and my other file management, my family's file management, and emailing and things like that. And after that, I watch a lot of media. So this device is mainly for media consumptions and file management, and the main and the number one reason is managing my websites. So this computer manages my websites. I do websites developing on this computer, and it handles all of the things fairly easily, because I do on WordPress, and WordPress is not very power intensive things, but yeah, sometimes it does lag, but I don't use it as my primary device. I use it as my third device, not even second, like third device. So it's not a big deal for me. Anyway, now you can ask me, like, can it do web things very easily, like watching YouTube videos, Netflix, Amazon Primes, things like that? I have to say, okay, those things are very fine. There is no issues. I can play back 1080p 60, 1080p 30, all of those files very easily. There is no such big deal with all of the things. Okay, it can run web things very easily. 10 to 15 Chrome tabs at least. Okay, it can handle 10 to 15 Chrome tabs. It's not gonna be sweating like me. So, yeah, as we're talking about Windows computer, games are very necessary. So on this computer, can we play games? Actually, I have to say, we can play games. I don't play games. You know me, I don't play games. My brother plays games, and he plays GTA 3, GTA Vice City, GTA San Andreas, Kings of Fight 97 and another games called Mustafa. Maybe I don't know about that game, but I don't play games. My brother plays games every day, 2-3 hours every single day before I woke up, because I got shout out over him, and I found that there is no such issues while gaming those kind of things. But you cannot play AAA titles, super high-end games, but you can play mid-range games very easily without any kind of issues. Okay, that was about the gaming. Now let's talk about my things: photo editing, video editing, graphics designing. Photo editing, it can do Photoshop photo editing, okay, not very good. And if I want to talk about video editing, I have used Filmora 9 on this computer. It works very well, I have no issues. But Premiere Pro, it is not a device for Premiere Pro, so don't judge. And DaVinci Resolve works okay-ish. Okay. And the final thing is about the graphics designing, like Adobe Illustrator. Don't get it, just stay away if you want to do graphics design. So that is my opinion, that is my review after using this cheapest PC build after 3 months. I'm sweating a lot, and this PC also sweats a lot when doing intensive work. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys got something on your mind about this PC. And there were a lot of comments regarding my PC. Like I told you guys on my Instagram that I was also doing a PC build, and you guys asked me why is the PC build review, why is the video about this. So here's the video. I hope you understand why I got this kind of cheapest PC in my house. Yeah, anyway, goodbye.